Hello everyone, welcome to IELTS Reading Explanation. In this video, I'll explain stadium past, present and future. As given on the title, this is from book 17 and test 1. Our first question is match the paragraph. But rather than matching paragraph, in this question, we are matching section, which means there are multiple paragraphs within one section. Our first question is a mention of negative attitudes towards stadium build project. If you are going to match the question to the passage, we need to look at the negative attitudes. This matches exactly with skepticism, and stadium building projects could be construction. So our answer for question number 14 is A. Let's look at question number 15. Our key phrase for question number 15 is environmental benefits. We can find that in section F. We can clearly see the reduction of CO2 emission in section F, which obviously means environmental benefits. So our answer for question number 15 is F. For question number 16, we have wide range of facilities. And since we have examples at the beginning, we need to look at actual names of the wide range of facilities. If we look at section E, second paragraph, we can see different facilities that are available in stadiums nowadays. Hotels, retail outlets, conference centers, restaurants, bars. Just like our question is demanding, we have all these facilities. So our answer for question number 16 is E. Let's look at question number 17. Our key phrase for question number 17 is disadvantages in a certain era. If you look at section D, we'll find they talk about 20th century. They talk about how flexibility is lost, and they also mention this thing not being accessible to the general public, requiring more energy and contributing to urban heat. These are all disadvantages of stadiums from 20th century. So our answer for question number 17 is D. Let's look at question number 18. A key phrase for question number 18 is amphitheater of Arles. This can be found in section B, amphitheater of Arles. We are looking for first thing this amphitheater was converted into. If you look at section B, it says that it was built by Roman in 1980 and it became a fortress in the 5th century. So after 400 years, it was turned into a fortress. So our answer for question number 18 is fortress. For question number 19, we are still looking at the same amphitheater. For question number 18, we found the first thing it was converted into. For question number 19, we're looking at a final thing where people can watch bullfights. Our answer for question number 19 is bullfights. Bullfights. For question number 20, we are looking at arena in Verona, and we're looking for its today's use. You can see Verona in section B, and today's use for opera. Our answer for question number 20 is opera. For question number 21, we are looking at Lucca's amphitheater, and they are storing something in this amphitheater. We can see Lucca in section C, and this is used as a salt depot, which means storage of salt. Question number 22. We don't need to learn too much about question number 22. Just look at the structure of the question. We have market square, we have dash and homes, we have residences, and we have shops, and we have public square. Public square is market square, residences is homes, and shops will be our answer for question number 22. It's shops and residences come in pair in the passage. They should do the same in the fill in the blanks as well. Our key phrase for question number 23 and 24 are negative features of 20th century stadium in section D. I know for sure that they talk about loss of flexibility here, and they also provide some of the other disadvantages in this section. This matches with D, and especially this part may not be accessible to the general public. This means C. The answers for question number 23 and 24 are C and D. Let's look at question number 25, 26. Advantages of modern stadium designs. And again, our advantages are within section E. And section F. Section E talks about how modern stadiums are being used for other purposes rather than just for sports. In this specific section, this opens the space up to families and a wider cross section of society instead of catering only to sports people and supporters. This matches perfectly with option number B, bringing community life back into the city environment. Even though it looks like option A is the right answer, if you look at the passage, if you look at section E, they talk about how these new stadiums are providing services other than just for the sport events, they are including community. That's why option number A is not the answer. Stadiums being used for families and for the other people rather than just for the viewers of the sports. And the other answer is E. If we look at our section F, they talk about solar panel, they talk about this photovoltaic panel, this means solar panels, and they also talk about wind turbines. They never talk about research being conducted in these stadiums, but these stadiums are being used as locations where they have installed different kinds of renewable sources. So our answers for question number 25 and 26 are B and E. That is the end of the video, and if you found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and if you want to share it, go ahead. If you want to see any other videos related to IELTS or PT, write that in the comment section. I'll read that and maybe I'll try that too. I have been working on other videos too, but it might take some time because editing part is a huge task. It only takes me somewhere around 15 minutes to actually make a video, but I would have to edit it for next few days, make sure that my voice is correct, make sure my mistakes are omitted, that I don't create any confusions. At the end, best of luck everyone, and thank you for watching.